everybody, this is Kurt Kessler with Outer Beaches Realty, Hatteras Island, North Carolina, and I'm out here in Avon, up on the boardwalk behind Outer Beaches Realty. Doing a little report for you before it gets dark. Not a whole lot has changed since the last report. It has gotten windier, and you may not be able to hear me right now, so I'm going to try to yell a little bit. But the wind definitely is picking up a bit, and it's also become a lot darker than it was earlier. Still not a whole lot of rain. Every now and then we get a little band, dumps for like 10 seconds. That'll change in a couple hours. It seems like the front of the storm is going to be tonight. I'll do my best to find some lighting and let's see that. Definitely be able to try to bend and everything. I'll go ahead and give you a little look at the and stuff and zoom in, so check it out. Those are some big waves out there. It's got to be well over 15 feet to break that far out. Well, that's what we're looking at for now. Stay tuned. I'll be keeping you updated with some more posts, and hopefully I can get you a cool video before it gets dark. So stay tuned, and this is Kurt with Outer Beaches Realty, Hatteras Island. You guys take care. Thanks.